How to make manifesting whatever you desire absolutely easy. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. You know, manifesting can be easy. And one of the ways to make it easy is by getting your subconscious mind working for you rather than against you. Rachel and I have created an outstanding miracle hypnosis program for you, and we're giving it away. I said we are giving it to you. And I urge you to get your free copy. Use it every night as you fall asleep. When you're falling asleep, listen to this abundance manifesting audio because it will really seriously help you. It'll begin to shift the beliefs of your subconscious mind, and your subconscious is the connecting link between you and the infinite. Go to miraclehypnosisonline.com/free audio. That's miraclehypnosisonline.com/free audio. We'll have the link down below. So how about a raise of hands out there? Who likes manifesting when it's easy? I do. Absolutely. It's always easy. Well, not always, but you can make it easier to manifest what you deeply desire. It doesn't have to be this gut-wrenching struggle to manifest what you desire. You don't have to be up at 3 o'clock in the morning pacing the floors, wondering how you're going to pay the bills. Money can come easily into your life. Prosperity can come easily into your life. Love and relationship can come easily into your life. And manifesting, why not make it fun, high flyers? Instead of making it this rote kind of thing where you're just following one step after another, why not have fun with manifesting? Because the more fun that you have when you're manifesting, the easier the manifestation process becomes. Don't make it overly difficult or overly complex. It works, and it works when it's made easy. So high flyers, most of the time, we create all kinds of crazy roadblocks in our minds, such as, I'm too tall, I'm too thin, I'm too old, I'm too young, I'm too fat, I'm too bald, I have too much hair, I have acne, they're not going to like me. What if they don't love me? What if? Then we start using the what ifs. What if they don't like me? What if they don't love me? What if he has someone else? What if he's met someone else? What if she's dating someone else? What if that job isn't open anymore? What if the business fails? What if the customers don't like it? And it goes on and on. So we get into all these negative thoughts. What ifs? What if? What if it doesn't work? What if it's difficult? But that's the big one. That's the big one that we have coming to us from our subconscious mind. What if this is too difficult? What if I can't do it? What if it never happens? You know. We've both been there. It's a tough place to go. And so you don't need to go there anymore because you can simply say to yourself, what if this is easier than I ever imagined? So what I found several years ago, high flyers, by adding the word easy into an affirmation or into an incantation or even into my self-talk, all of a sudden, the resistance that I was feeling, it just melted away like butter on a hot summer day. In other words, the resistance that you feel in your mind, in your energy field, that resistance is eliminated through the use of one word, but you have to use it repeatedly. You have to use it over and over because you want that word, and more importantly, you want that belief in your subconscious mind. Once that new belief is in your subconscious mind, you will find that manifesting whatever you desire becomes easier and easier and easier. Money is too easy to make. I love that affirmation. I have used that affirmation for years. That single affirmation has made me more money than any of the other affirmations combined. I mean, I have 1,000 money affirmations, but that one affirmation has made me more money than all the others combined. Money is easy to make. This isn't a struggle. You see, when you believe it's easy, it's not a struggle. And when you believe it's easy, you're more likely to take inspired action. You're more likely to get your body moving and get some action going on whatever it is that you believe is easy to manifest. Love is easy to attract. You know, I had a client who was telling me that love was difficult to attract, that none of the guys wanted a relationship anymore. There was no place to meet men anymore. It was just an impossible thing. And the more she made it impossible, the more she put rocks over her head and, felt herself sinking down into this negative belief, the more difficult it became for her. When she finally surrendered and said, "Hey, what do I do?" I said, "Make it easy. Believe that it's easy. Love is easy to attract." I don't care how much difficulty you've gone through in the past. You've gone through a lot of difficulty in the past attracting a serious relationship. Doesn't mean that it needs to be difficult here in the future. Love is easy. Do you see, by putting that word easy into my affirmation, the whole affirmation changes. The whole belief changes about it. Starting a successful business is easy to do. If you've been thinking about creating a successful business and you've been putting it off for a long time now may be the time to act. But you will find yourself acting with more certainty when you believe it's easy. Writing that novel that I've been putting off for years is easy to do. So high flyers, I'll go to Upworks, I'll have a cover drawn up, I'll put it in front of me, and I'll just start writing. Oh yeah, there it is. It's easy. How about that art that I had one lady, she was a client of mine. She hired me because she had over 40 unfinished paintings in her basement. 40 unfinished paintings in her basement. And she was a talented artist. And so as I began to work with her, she got those paintings completed. And they are now on display in Prague, in New York, in San Francisco, and London, all over the world. A lot of different places, a lot of different galleries display her work. Because she took action, but more importantly, because she believed it was easy to sell her artwork. It was easy to finish her paintings. It was easy to be a successful artist. How about losing weight? Is it difficult? Have you been challenged with it all your life? Maybe it's really easy. And maybe the belief that it's easy will make it easier for you. How about the healing that you need? Maybe you have arthritis, or you have some kind of degenerative disease that you've been fighting with, and you believe it's difficult to find any kind of cure or treatment for that disease. Maybe changing that difficult belief to "it's easy. This is easy." overcoming this is easy. Here's how we do it. And then have that belief that it's easy. And just by believing that something is easier will make it easier for you, high flyers. It will make it so much easier. And I'm not saying that you don't need specialized knowledge. I'm not saying you don't need to write down your goals and intentions. I'm not saying that you don't need to work at taking inspired action on a regular basis for whatever your goals and dreams are. But let's not make it more difficult than it is. You are a co-creator of your reality. That's right. The world that you live in, you have co-created. And once you believe that, once you know that, once you understand that, you're going to realize just how easy it is. So why not start right now by writing down below, this is easy. This is easy. By writing it down, you're starting the first process of making things easier in your life. And then go through the affirmations that you've been using. And hey, add the word easy in there. Look at your vision board if you have a vision board at home. And put right at the top in big bold letters, this is easy. This is easy. Once you believe it is easy and your subconscious is convinced, then everything else just begins to flow and go in your direction. So high flyers, here are 3 easy ways to make manifesting easier in your life. Number 1, use the word easy. Use it all the time. Number 2, visualize the manifesting process, the process of getting to where you want to be, as easy. Don't see it as difficult. Visualize it as easy and enjoyable. And 3, use commitment, strong commitment, and include the word easy. So if somebody says, can you do this for me? Absolutely. That's a strong commitment. Absolutely. It will be easy. I can do that. It will be easy. Or it is easy. In other words, make commitments to those you love and people you work with, and use the word easy when you make the commitment, and also with yourself. Okay? With whatever your goals are, start seeing those goals as easy. Okay, you have a great and easygoing day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.